so much shit about it.
No, it wasn't that. You were talking about how you poop. Oh, you spend like an hour and a half pooping.
Hour and a half?
Well, because I read shit.
Right? Why is it? This is not necessary. I'm efficient.
Oh my god, that's how long you poop for?
I wait until prairie dogging, and then like it takes like 5 minutes.
Why would you wait till you're gonna poop your pants in class?
No, I'm not in class. I'm never doing it in class. I'm always doing
it. But if you're prairie dogging, your boxers just have poo stains on them.
No, not like that. It's like prairie dogging is like holding it, clenching. Fucking.
Why would
you don't even know what that is?
Why would you want that feeling? If you have to poop, why would you just go?
No, it's like oh 5 minutes. 5 minutes versus an hour and a half. Come on.
Okay, whatever. But I sit there.
You're taking an hour and a half. I could be doing more shit. I could be learning fucking Chinese.
While you're prairie dogging your butthole, so it's like this when you're learning. Fuck you.
It's a fucking casualty I have to take.
Yeah. So I poop on the toilet for an hour. I read the newspaper. I do Where's Waldo. I read GQ magazine. I get 3 things done a day on the toilet. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Alright, well I spend about 5 minutes. I could do way more than that.
5 minutes fucking touching your dick, trying not to pull your pee-pee.
No, it's not even about that. It's just fucking I get on the toilet, I do my thing, and I wipe. Barely, also a benefit.
How long you
because I wipe it like nothing's there. Or nothing's there.
How long do you poop for?
How long does it take you to poop?
I poop for like 30 minutes.
Are you serious? Fucking way efficient. Yo, way more efficient than you. You're jealous.
He poops for 5. He waits till he prairie dogs, then he poops.
Way efficient.
That's stupid. It's so efficient. Is that stupid?
So efficient.
It's efficient if you're
jealous. Jealous?
It's efficient if you're a caveman but don't wear underwear.
Because your little cheeks can't handle that?
Oh my god. If I just walk around pooping out my butthole like all day, I wait till it's...
No, I'm in my room. I don't fucking do. Like, why would I want to sit on a toilet for like an hour and a half? You're gonna get hemorrhoids. You're gonna get hemorrhoids at like 35.
Yeah,
and then who's gonna be laughing? Then who's gonna be laughing? Then who's gonna be laughing? Hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids?
I don't have hemorrhoids because I walk my butt.
Not yet.
I use wet wipes.
Yeah,
fuck you.
You're funny.
No. How long do you poop for?
How long does it take you to poop? Thank you! Thank you! Efficient.
He poops till he waits till he prairie dogs, then he poops.
No, I mean like about that.
What do you mean?
No, like you're like oh man, like there is no turning back right now. And then you just like it takes 5 minutes.
That's stupid.
Oh man, there's no
That's stupid. I wait till like I have to poop. Oh, I kinda got to poop. I'm gonna go poo.
I'm not gonna spend my day
I cross my legs. I read a magazine.
I'm not gonna spend my day in the bathroom.
It's an fucking 30 minutes. A day's not 30 minutes.
It's like an hour and a half, you said.
It's
you said that.
48 of your day. 148.
You said that.
Okay.
You said that.
I've had one incident where it was a long time. I had no fiber that day. It was a long day.
Alright, look,
your ass
focus in here right now.
No, I'm just waiting. You'll get out of here, fucking ugly. Okay, anyway. This motherfucker waits till his poops.
Oh, yo, he just said he takes 5 minutes too.
Okay, this motherfucker, this chick motherfucker, wait till the poo poo is fucking.
Why so racist?
Yeah, seriously.
Okay,
who let this guy in?
Okay, this guy and this.
What's your favorite subject?
Pooping?
You always talk about this.
Racist. This guy and this guy wait till the poop was going boom 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 at the butthole.
No, I never said that. I just said like there's no turning.
You said prairie dog like a heartbeat at your butthole. You wait till the heartbeats, and then you poop. That's stupid. If you're wearing tight underwear, poop on your butthole.
Well, I don't wear tight underwear.
Well, I do like
Reason
a man.
1.
I do like thing 1. Where's girl underwear? Thing 2. I wear man underwear. Thing 3.
What do you wear, thons?
No, I wear boxer
The little
briefs.
baby body?
I wear boxer briefs. It gives
little baby body?
No,
The Speedos?
it gives me the comfort of a boxer, but the sport of a brief.
Are you advertising for Hanes? What are you, Michael Jordan?
Okay, Michael Jordan's a great man. He scored so many points.
How many?
More than
What
you.
did you say?
Way more than you. 45.
No, not Steve Kerr.
600 a game. Okay.
600 a game.
You know how many points you scored a game?
Like probably like 30. But like anyway, motherfucker, this guy likes to waste the prairie dogs and then bullets at his butthole.
You know what? Whatever works.
No, time out. Everything.
Tomato, tomato.
No,
Tomato,
let me finish.
No.
Honky.
No.
Let me finish.
Honky? How do you feel about that?
Everything is hard. It's on the water. It's splashed up on his fucking butt cheeks. You have to wipe like this.
Not even. It's like a one wipe just for insurance.
No, fuck
it's
you.
not even there.
You don't even use everything.
Yeah.
Your brown butt cheeks. Your white ass has brown butt cheeks when you drive because it goes boom.
What do you think? What do you think? You're black? Like I mean, you don't have brown.
I take a normal poop. It goes.
Normal poops don't take more than an hour. That's an unfortunate
It takes like 30,
circumstance.
40 minutes. 20 minutes I'm pooping, 20 minutes I'm reading, learning about the
I
market.
could be doing that in the comfort of my bed.
Is your bed? Your toilet's comfortable. Fuck you.
No, it's not. You're gonna get hemorrhoids.
No. I
Yeah.
use wet wipes after because it's clean as a motherfucker.
It doesn't prevent you from hemorrhoids.
Hemorrhoids are from dirty buttholes like yours with your fucking.
Oh, my dirty butthole.
With your 5-minute poops. Like fucking butt fucks with your 5-minute poops.
Wait, you jealous?
30-minute poops.
You have those pancake
I take my time.
Pancake poops?
I read Where's Waldo. I do
Just got fucked in
GQ
the
magazine,
ass.
Wall Street Journal.
Pellets?
Oh wait, I should dress in a suit today. I should invest in this stock. Oh, I found Waldo. What?
I found Waldo in 11th grade. I don't need to look at that shit.
This motherfucker does. Oh wait, am I
It's like 5 seconds. And you know what? It takes like, if it takes any longer, you know what? I play Tetris.
Are you serious?
I play Tetris.
On what? On your butthole? No, fuck you. Oh,
I'm jealous?
No, I'm gonna poop my pants. Oh my god, I'm gonna poop my pants.
No, you know what? I'm gonna lay in my bed, not on my toilet.
See, if I have to kind of poop, I don't care. I'll take a nap and I'll poop. You have to poop no matter what. If you nap, it's in your fucking pants.
No, not even. Oh yeah, I'm gonna poop my sleep. Who poops their sleep?
Time out. End the video now.